welcome today to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an essential oil recipe. Now keep in mind, anytime you're dealing with essential oils, you probably should check with your doctor first before using them. And then also whenever you make or use an essential oil, I would strongly recommend doing a little test patch on the inside of your arm just to make sure that you're not allergic to it. Essential oils are very powerful, so you should be very respectful of them and research and check them out before you actually go hog wild and put them all over your whole body, that type of thing. Also, keep them out of the reach of children and pets before you use them around either your children or your pets. Make sure that it's something that's okay to be around them. But definitely keep the oils up so that they do not have access to them or any of the products that you're using with the oils. I do strongly recommend that you be cautious. They're awesome, but you also have to use them with care, be careful with them. So I strongly recommend you research. As far as what the products are that I'm using today, I am using in this recipe is witch hazel, which you can use whatever brand you want, but that's what I bought off of Amazon. And then I use Gaia Lab oils. Use whatever oils you have available to you. I am using Peppermint, Silver Fir, and Eucalyptus. And this is just a refreshing spray, body spray that I actually use it when I get out of the shower. But you can use it really anytime. You just want to kind of freshen up, go ahead and spray. But again, test it on your skin before using. You might even want to do a little test with each different oil before you put them together, just to make sure that you're not allergic to one of them as opposed to the other 2 or 3 that you're putting in a recipe. These recipes are for fun. This is for entertainment purposes, but just be cautious because the oils are real and again, you need to use them and be respectful of them when you're using them. Now, I'm also using an 8-ounce bottle. This is a bottle that I use all the time. And I got all the products actually off of Amazon. I will put affiliate links down below. If you want to purchase through those, you feel free to do so. But I have a little funnel, and I have my little measuring teaspoons, tablespoons. And then I'm also using distilled water. I did not have that in the picture, but I am using distilled water. That's the best that you should use with your products if you're using water, but if you don't have that, I have used regular tap water as well. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open my bottle. Still have a little bit in there from my past mixture. I'm going to go ahead and in this, I'm going to put my tablespoon of witch hazel. Now, I never think about this, but I need to post the actual recipe at the end of the video so you can have it. All right, so I put that in here. And then, excuse me, I'm a little hoarse today. I'm going to pull that out for right now. But I'm going to go ahead and start with my peppermint. I'm going to put 12 drops of peppermint into the bottle. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Little bottles actually go a long way. I use peppermint a lot. Use it in my hair. And in this spray. Then I'm going to use 12 drops of eucalyptus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It comes out really fast. They all kind of vary. And then the last one I'm using is Silver Fir, or Silver Fir, actually. Silver Fir, excuse me. And this one comes out very slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. only using 5 of those. Also, one thing I need to caution you is if you're going to be out in the sun, you need to be careful which products of the essential oils that you're putting on your skin, because they can actually make you more sensitive to the sun. So check that out too. If you're somebody that's out in the sun a lot, you want to be careful of that as well. A lot of the citrus products, the citrus essential oils, are not good for you to have out in the sun on your skin. All right, so then I'm just gonna, because I have all these in here, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the funnel still and put my water in here. I know with my hair one, I give it 10 minutes and then I add the water. With this one, I'm not giving it, I don't have to give it any kind of wait time. I just go ahead and mix it together. Put my lid back on. Then I'm gonna shake it, and anytime that you're making your own little formulas, make sure you shake them before you use them, just to make sure that they're mixed good. And then it'll be ready to go. And all you have to do is turn it onto the spray I use, where it has several mists coming out this one stream, and then we're good to go. Hopefully you can see that. It's a nice refreshing smell, and I just put it all over my arms, my legs. You know, these are, especially the Eucalyptus and Peppermint, you know, are ones that kind of wake you up. You know, are good for like anxiety and that type of thing. So, you know, they are very refreshing. I love peppermint, especially. It's probably one of my favorite ones. That and tea tree oil. I don't necessarily like the smell of tea tree oil, but I use it all the time. Anyways, hope you like this. Give it a try and see if you like it. But again, remember, give it a try on like the inside of your, can't show you, but like on the inside of your arm, someplace around in here, just to make sure that you're not allergic to it or don't have any reactions to it. Keep it up from children and pets, and research. Ask your doctor before you use them. And this video is purely meant to provide you with some recipes to try, and it's for entertainment purposes. All right, until the next time, please stay safe and healthy. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, like this video, and please share it with your family and friends on your social network. Just hit the share button underneath and you'll be good to go. All right, until the next time, please stay safe and healthy, and you have a good one.